So I'm working on my Cabela smoker, just cleaning it up a little bit. Working on the wood. So I already sanded that with my belt sander. All the edges. I'm gonna take some of this stain, seal that, and then I'll polyurethane it. Probably takes 1 or 2 coats. I took the screws, just took a screwdriver, popped some milk jug, spray painted those, and we're gonna stain the boards next. Well, here's the before. Here it is, all nice wiped down. Probably could use a little better scrubbing, get some of those smoky water marks off of it, but looks pretty good. Plugged her in. Turn it on high. It's got a little lever arm on it so you get it to pop out. Squeeze that in and pull it up. Vent. Handle. Little door handle. Fix some heat coming out of there already. Just have some dry wood in there to see how it goes. Supposed to soak it at first, so it's kind of a tick. Here's the other handle. So the boards are gonna go. Little bottom rack, some wheels. It's a good little smoker. I've had them all. Bradley's, Smoky Mountain, gas, electric. I think I never had a coal one. Don't have the patience. So far, my favorite are these pill bottle shaped ones. And since they have a couple racks, you can get some more on there, but real wood tastes the best. I don't like the Bradley biscuits, the wood chip stuff, or pellet smokers. Just good old wood. Cherry's the best if you got it. I like mesquite and hickory. Apple's pretty good. Yeah. See how this one goes? I'll probably try out a pork butt here soon. Finish those boards up. Put another coat of stain on them and then polyurethane them and bolt them back down with those freshly painted black screws. Should look pretty good. I'll show you. This is not just a smoker, it's a grill as well. So there's 3 racks. Then you can take the top off and just grill or smoke, whatever you're up to. It's not very big, doesn't take up too much space. I had a gigantic Smoky Mountain. It had 3 racks in it. You could do 3 full racks of ribs. You could have more if you had a rib rack. But yeah, try this one out. I forget what the other one was, Master Built or something like that, but be back when I get this thing put together. Starting to warm up. So the thermostat works. Glowing down there. Heating element. Here's the wood chips I like to run. I like the Western Hickory. The Weber. This is Apple. Leftover apple. A little more apple. Pecan. Some more hickory. Yeah. Mesquite's probably my favorite. Apple's pretty good. Getting a bit warmer. See if we get up to at least 265. Appears that's gonna be about it. A little over 200 degrees. Anyways, you only need 145 degrees to be safe with pork. So it says, I don't know, 3.5, 4 hours to do a pork butt at 200 degrees. So this should work. Got some smoke rolling out now. I'll show you again once we get the boards back on. It looks like the Cabela smoker is made by Masterbuilt Outdoor Products. Should have seen it says it on the handle as well. Hot. Showed. I think that's French. So here's the finished product of these boards. They've been stained twice with, I'll show you this can in a minute, on both sides. And then spray painted these screws black. There's 6 of them. Had some Duraseal quick dry sealer for wood floors. 2 coats of that on. We painted these black, and after I was done with that, I put this Varathane Ultimate Polyurethane water-based crystal clear semi-gloss on top. So next I'll get my smoker over and out and mount this stuff on there. There you go, a little glue gun, some citrus acid. Looks like it shined it up quite a bit. Didn't take the oily marks off it at all, but looks better. Get rid of that kind of that powdery look. Alright, so let's throw the shelves on. I'm just gonna screw them on and show you the finished product. Well, there it is, the finished product. Probably get some steel wool and scrub the stain marks off, the smoky runs. But I think it looks pretty good. Everything works. Nice little smoker. I think you could call it a 7-in-1. Smoke, grill, boil, but I don't have the baskets and stuff for it to do the boiling or deep frying. But they can do it if you have it. Cabelas Outdoor Gear Outfitter Smoker. Simple little cleanup project. Please like and subscribe.